long video, so let's get started. I'm taking myself downstairs. I'm gonna set you guys up. write some things, to write some videos that we will be doing more often, but like more videos that you will be seeing. So I just want to write it down. Some of the ideas I wanted to tell you guys, and so you guys know. And make sure you keep that bell on, that notification bell that you see right beside the subscribe button. So yeah. So opening the book, and I'm using the first page. Okay, so let me put YouTube videos, but I have to upload more so I can get like more YouTubers. I meant something. I'm sorry, more subscribers. Sorry. This one has any ink in it. I'm not sure. This one has no ink in it, so let me just get a different pen while I can. I'll be back in a minute. Back up like this, I know that. So, once again, guys. So I'll be doing challenges for sure. I'll be trying to do more challenges. Walking backwards challenge, Chubby Bunny challenge. I'll be trying to do like those challenges. More haul videos. More mukbang videos, because I only did 2 mukbang videos so far, and I only did like, I think I did 2 haul videos, but I didn't upload the first one. I uploaded the putty and like the crafts and stuff, but I didn't upload the other one where I showed you my birthday gifts. I didn't upload that one yet, but I'll upload it. Okay. So yeah, guys, I'll be doing that. So yeah, stay tuned. Tell me in the comments if you guys like putty. What other videos should I be doing? Dance ones, maybe singing ones, maybe acting ones, maybe modeling. I'm really good at modeling. Well, I was a modeler. Well, I'm a modeler right now. I'll be doing more things like that. So me and Nicole's videos, like our vlogs, we'll be trying to make more vlogs often. But we never actually made a vlog channel yet. But we made our little video channel that we would make often. Like we'll make videos and then we'll post them on. And trying to build up some subscribers and like so I wanted to like do stuff like that. So what else videos that we could do? We could do like going out videos, like things like that, like things like that. For sure we will do we're gonna do giveaway videos, probably. We're gonna plan that out. I'm just making some ideas, but I'm gonna tell Nicole this is Nicole's paper. but she needs to sign on it, that she says. So this is what I got so far. So this is what I got so far. So good. So yeah. What else videos do you want me to do? Like story times? Makeovers. Skits.